Hlangana nezulu elina kangaka siyafahla siyonifunela indaba. Nanzi ezithujileko zanamhlanje sinethulela zona bunqopha ukusuka eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Comrade Dudu was never forced to resign. She volunteered.
UDuduzile Zuma Sambudla uthokoze umsebenzi njengelunga leParlamente leMK Party kanti ihlangano yeMK Party ithi akhange imkatelele kodwana uzilisele yena ngokwakhe.
Rapes in particular recorded a reduction of 37 counts.
Namhlanje bekwethulwa imbalobalo zobulelesi zekota yokuthoma nesibili yomnyaka ka-2025-2026 kuvele ukuthi behlile ubulelesi bokukata nokubulala.
I remember him saying in Zulu, bayangigijimisa bafana bakakhuma.
Lieutenant General Hilda Senthumule uveze ukuthi amadokethi wesiqheme esiphenya ukubulalana kwezepolitiki kwaZulu-Natal athathwa esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal ngomana uLieutenant General Shedrack Sibiya ubefuna ukuhlola ukuthi abamphenyi na.
Mamelodi Sundowns, Aubrey Mudiba, Peter Shalulile, Nandithuba!
Siqalela imidlalo yeCAF Confederation Cup neBetway Premiership yanamhlanje nakusasa kanti umdlalo oqalwe khulu lanamhlanje ngeCAF ophakathi kweMamelodi Sundowns neAC Alger odlalelwa eAlgeria. Siyanamukela mbukele endabeni zesindebele lapha ku-SABC1 akwande mzomkhulu. Umjaphethe kaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uFiroz Khachalia uthi imbalobalo zobulelesi ziqhakatheke khulu ekulawuleni ikambiso nomhlahlandlela wokulwa nobulelesi elizweneli. Bewatsho nokuthi nokuvuselela ithemba lomphakathi emapholiseni kuqhakathekile. uKhachalia ukhulume lokho ngesikhathi akhupha imbalobalo zobulelesi zekota yokuthoma nesibili yomnyaka wemali ka-2025-2026. Ubekhuluma nembikindaba ePitori.
Umjaphethe kaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uFiroz Khachalia uthome ngokudlulisa amezwi okuzwelana namaSouth Africa khulukhulu lawo bebongazimbi bobulelesi. Uthi amapholisa asebenza ngamandla ukuphungula izenzo zobulelesi emphakathini.
I want to speak directly to the people of our country, the people behind the numbers. I want to speak to those families and communities who are worried, who are afraid, and who are angry about the state of crime in our society. I want you to know that I understand and respect your worries about the lack of security since too many criminals, and also because too many criminals escape justice.
Nabeka khupha imbalobalo uMajor General Thulari Sikhukhuni osikhulise zembalobalo zobulelesi uthi ubulelesi obuyingozi khulu njengokukata nokubulala behlile.
We have recorded decreases in terms of the rapes, 32 counts, 37 counts less, and sexual assault, 12 counts less.
uMajor General Sikhukhuni uthi basusa inkide ezinengi emphakathini. Isekela likakommissionara wamapholisa elizweneli uLieutenant General Tibelo Msikili nakakujuleko malungana nokungabuyela emva ekulweni nobulelesi.
We are in the midst of our safer festive season operations which are currently in a full swing. It is all hands on deck as men and women in blue are working closely with other law enforcement agencies to continue and claim the authority of the state in every corner of our country. We have indeed entered a period of heightened police operations to ensure that people of South Africa are and feel safe this festive season.
Umsikili uqinisekisa izakhamuzi ukuthi amapholisa azohatsheka ngobunengi emphakathini ngonobayeni nje.
UDuduzile Zuma Sambudla uthokoze umsebenzi wakhe njengelunga leParlamente lehlangano ye-MK Party. Ihlangano le imemezele lokhu nabe ikhuluma nembikindaba eDurban. uZuma Sambudla uthokoza nje kunendaba mraro yokuthi batsho uyathindeka endabeni yabantu abali-17 bathunyelwe ukuthi bayokulwa epini ephakathi kweRussia neUkraine.
Ihlangano ye-MK Party nabe ikhuluma nembikindaba uDuduzile Zuma Sambudla khanga njengisena kancane ukuthi uza nenye indaba. Akekho namunye obekalindela ukuthi uza kuthokoza umsebenzi. Kuthe bona kuvele lokhu akhange beyisaqalwa kakhulu nendaba yokuthi ihlangano le ithumba amakhetho wokukhibelela emandeni phambili nevekeni le.
Comrade Duduzile Zuma Sambudla confirmed the contents of an affidavit deposed with the police. Comrade Duduzile Zuma Sambudla has declared her full cooperation with the ongoing investigations.
Ihlangano le ithi akhanga katelele nokho ukuthi athokoza umsebenzi kanti ingezelele ngokuthi izoyisekela yonke imizamo yakhe yokusiza ekutheni abantu abali-17 babuye ekhaya baphephile. Kukholakala ukuthi amadoda ali-17 weSouth Africa avaleleke epini e-Ukraine ngemva kokutshela ukuthi ayokubandulela ukuba bogadi eRussia. Indaba le ibe indaba ekhulunyako ngemva kokuthi ilunga lomndeni likaZuma Sambudla limvulela icala lathi ubakhohlisile abantu abami. Kanti namanye amalunga womndeni nawo avele ngaphambili asekela insolo lezi nephenyo bese lenziwe. uZuma Sambudla naye uvule icala lokukhwabanisa ngemva kwalokhu wathi batsho naye bamkhohlisile. I-MK Party yona idosele emva endabeni le yagandelela ukuthi uZuma Sambudla khanga akhulumise ukubandakanyeka kwehlangano le endabeni le.
Comrade Dudu was never forced to resign. She volunteered to resign because she wanted to focus in helping families return their loved ones.
I-MK Party ithi imndeni yabongazimbi ithindene nabaholi behlangano le kanti bahlela ukuhlangana nayo kuyihlathululela ukuthi ihlangano le ayithindeki nakancane endabeni le begodu iyisekele kubuyiseni amalunga wemndeni abekhaya. Ihlangano le yakhange inikele ihlayo ukuthi isikhundla sikaZuma Sambudla ehlanganweni lesingisiphi kodwa ithi uzithokozele ngokwakhe umsebenzi. Embikindaba khange zivunyelwe ukuthi zichuke uZuma Sambudla ngembuzo.
Asiqale umbono wakho umbukeli ngokuthokoza umsebenzi kukaDuduzile Zuma Sambudla ukuba lilunga leParlamente le-MK Party. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
uDuduzile Zuma wenze kakuhle ukurhoxa eParlamente nokulandela ke insolo asasolwa ngazo kwaye ke ngaske bangaphinde bazame kwakhona abantu abakwelalizwe babuye bephephile.
Kwenziwe uDuduzile Zuma kanye nathinteka nabo kuyicala nje elibovu okumele ke babhekana nengalo yomthetho ukusula kwakhe eParlamente akwanele neze.
Ithokozelani manje umbereko ubalekelani akamelana namaqiniso.
Yethemba ukuthi kukhona akakuhlanganisayo ubengeke avela yeke nje kungekho amaplana nawe.
Sesijwayele umuntu nasekabona ukuthi ziyakhala oyathoma athulisa umsebenzi ngaleso sikhathi nemali sekayinwathe wayinwatha sekadiniwe.
Zolo lokhu uDuduzile Zuma kade lelo baseParlamente kuyimanje sesulile futhi ayikuningi okwenza kwipolitiki.
Bonile bonyana wenza ihlazo uphoqa isizwe namkhisitshaba saKwaZulu Natal waphoqa nehlangano kayise eMK Party.
Ikulu into ebekaphezulu kwayo nangaphandle kokuthi ithumele labantu ukuthi bayokutraina ngani.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya bekajamile ekutheni isikhulu se-intelligence uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo khabe kungakafanele adose phambili isiqhema samapholisa esiphenya ukubulawa ekuhlobene nepolitiki PKTT. Lokho kuvele nakulalelwe ubufakazi besekela likakomishinara wobulelesi uLieutenant General Hilda Sinthimule ngamadokhethi wesiqhema esiphenya ukubulalana kwezepolitiki asuswa KwaZulu Natal alethwa emzimkhulu wamapholisa ePitori nokuphatha lwatsha kwe-PKTT ngomlayo kaSibiya.
Iyavela imininingwane ephathelene nokususwa kwamadoketo PKTT ama-24 asuswa KwaZulu-Natal alethwe emzimkhulu wamapholisa ePitori ngokutsho komlayo ka-Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya ngemva kwesimemezelo sokuthi PKTT iyaphadlalatshwa ngezi-31 kuNobayeni umnyaka opheleleko. Ubufakazi buphakamisa bona igadangweli lasuselwa ukuthi uSibiya bekacabanga bona kuphenya yena.
General Sibiya was adamant that actual General Khumalo shouldn't be heading the PKTT. It's a detective matter, which I differ because it's a combat matter, and therefore the dockets must come to me. He was adamant through inquiries, through like asking to say how far are we, but further, he was preoccupied with the notion that General Khumalo and crime intelligence were investigating him, and I remember him saying in Zulu,
Phambili izobufakazi amapholisa nobuhloli nokomishinara kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi bona iPKTT yaqodelwa ngombana beyisiza amapholisa eGauteng ekhaba bophinililisi ezisolwa ngokwabakhozi bakaSibiya. Lokhu kuhlathulula ukuthi kungani uSibiya athatha amagadango okufuduswa kwamadokethi ngemva kokuphadlalatshwa kwePKTT ngumchuno. Nanyana amadokethi asuswa, ikomishini isafuna ukwazi ukuthi kuba yini asuswa kodwa abuyiselwa khona KwaZulu-Natal.
It sounds to me as though it would have been a handover for handover's sake. It just didn't make sense. Because from your testimony, the dockets are at head office and they immediately had to be back in KZN by April. So why on earth did they have to come to head office? I just do not understand. It's not your problem.
No, I understand.
You did not disband the PKTT. You did not say that the dockets must come to head office. But I'm just trying to understand what was going on here.
Ikomishini yaraka ngomvulo.
Nasibuya entolo.
He wouldn't stop no matter how many times I said he's hurting me.
It doesn't mean that now the suspect is free.
Bayalila abafundi ababendazana beUniversity eMpumalanga bathi abafundi ababesana bayabadula sele basaba ukuhlala endaweni zokuhlala ezingaphandle kwecampus. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli nazi kuphundile kwindabezi uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Abafundi ababendazana eUniversity eMpumalanga bahlalelwe evalweni ngemva kwesehlakalo sokusahlelwa umfundi omduna lapha kuhlaliswa khona abafundi eMbombela. Omunye umfundi osalulamako ngemva kokubethwa uthi ukateleleke bona alise imfundo zakhe ngombana uyasaba. Sehlakalo lesi senze ukuthi kube nokuthwenyeka ngevikeleko labafundi endaweni ezihlalisa abafundi ezingaphandle kwecampus.
Sebayasaba abafundi ngemva kwenyanga bakhahlunyezwa abafundi abaduna. Omunye umfundi omndazana ukhanyiwe pheze walahlekelwa impilo yakhe. Umfundi lo ongakhanga athande bona ibizo lakhe livezwe emphakathini ngenzathu zevikeleko lakhe kuthiwa abatsho usahlelwe angaphakathi kwendawo ehlalisa abafundi. Isehlakalo lesi sithusa abafundi abanengi, inengi labo lilila ngokuthi abasazizwa abaphephile endaweni abahlaliswe kizo ezingaphandle kwecampus.
And as I was walking away, he pulled me and then he basically put me back to his chest and started choking me. When I started to feel dizzy and getting blurry vision and couldn't scream anymore, that's when after a few seconds he stopped.
University eMpumalanga ithi indawo lapha bahlalise khona abafundi iphethwe baphathi bangeqadi kanti basebenzisana nabaphathi bayo ukuqalana nendaba mraro le njengombana kube nokuriyada.
But the university has since taken two important decisions. One is that we have put the alleged perpetrator on precautionary suspension while we are busy with the investigation.
Nakusenjalo kuthiwa umenzi wesehlakalo esubotshiwe kodwana wachachululwa ekukhambeni kwesikhathi. Ungazimbi njenganje unembuzo ngongakaqini kwesandla somthetho njengombana umsolwa angakhange avele ngaphambi kwekhotho.
We believe that the case is still open, it's not over. It doesn't mean that now the suspect is free. So it's just that with regard to our justice system, there are processes that you have to follow for conviction.
Njengombana kuthwaya amalanga ali-16 wokulusana nezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili, ikomishini ejeje ukulingana ngokobulili ithi izehlakalo lezi zihabekile begodu kufuze zitshejwe msinyazana. Ikomishini le iqinisekise ukuthi kunembiko eminingi yezehlakalo zokuthelisa eUniversity eMpumalanga.
Usinyikhaba yinyanga yokugidinga amalungelo wabantu abanokukhubazeka ngokuhlukahlukana. Yeke iSABC iqinisekisa ukuthi inyanga le akubi ngeyokufundisa nokuyelelisa kwaphela, kodwa iqalele lakhulu ihlangothi lesithunzi kunye nokwamukeleka. Phambidlana namhlanje umbikindaba weSABC uphindile Msiza ukhulumisene noHlophekazi Mahlangu ophila nealbinism. Asizwe ukuthi inkulumo yabo ikhambe kunjani.
Cedric nonyaka nje iSABC igidinga usinyikhaba ngesiqubulo esithi Working with Pride, okutsho ukusebenza ngokuzikhakhazisa. Kulapho ke esitsheja khona ukuqhakatheka okuhlukahlukana kwenitshaba kunye nokuqinisa ukungani nani kanti sitsheja kakhulu ukuhloniphana kunye nokujameleka amahlangothi wonke. Namhlanje ke sivakatshelwe siphalaphala esiliphimbo labantu abaningi ebangakhoniko ukuzikhulumela. Yena ke nguHlophekazi Namgwezani. Namgwezani siyakulochisa siyakwamukela endabeni zeSABC.
Ngikulochise namkholozi ngiyathokoza ukwamukeleka ngestudio, ngilochise nababukeli emakhaya.
Namgwezani uzibiza ngeHlophekazi, ungakeke uhlathulule ukuthi ukususelaphi lokho?
Igama lika Hlophekazi lisukela ekhaya belibizwa ngoba mkhulu yedwa. Kuhle kuhle igama lekhaya nginguSimpiwe. Igama lika Hlophekazi lisukele ebumncanini bami lapho bengithi nangifuna ukuyokudlala nabanye abantwana. Thola ukuthi mhlambe bavakatshelwe zinhlobo zakude abantwana bobamakhelwane, and then nangifika ke ngithola ukuthi bayanginina bakudaba. Arinya ko babhala liliswafile asifuna ukudlala nekaweli alikhambe lapha, and then ngikhambe ke ngiyokuhlala noba mkhulu. Nangifika kuba mkhulu ngimbuze ngithi kanti ukomo mina banginina. Naka ihlathulula kwathi kimi mntwanami uzokukhula ngelinye ilanga uzokuzwisisa. Angisho wena uLiHlophekazi, akunanto embi ngawe kodwana wena nje into ongayenza ukuthi uhlale ekhaya ukuhlale nobamkhulu ubukela umabona kude ngicocela indatshana ezizoke ngombana ilanga lizokuchisa kodwana akunaginga ngawe.
Namgwezani njengomuntu ophumele Tjhatjhalazi ophila nealbinism ngiziphi intshijilo ohlangabezana nazo emphakathini namkha okay wahlangabezana nazo ngaphambilini ngenxa yebala lakho?
Gatoka bengithi nangisafunda isikolo bengithi nangibhalako eklasini isitshijilo esikhulu besibakhona ukubanyana nanyana ngingahlala phambili kangangani ngesibanga sesandla sika teacher nakabhalileko bengingaboni manje bekungikosta abonyana ngisukume ngiyokrema amaganyana amabili amathathu ngibuye ngizokuhlala phasi kodwa ngibhale then bekuba buhlungu ukuzwa abanye abafundi ngemva kwami sebathi uyasitha awusefeli then into leyo beyingilimaza bekungifikela khona ukuthi ngathana ngiyayekela esikoleni mara ngoba ngisithanda ngazitshela abonyana wangizokuraga tode ekugcineni.
Namgwezani kuyini into ofisa ngathana abantu bayayazi namkha bayayizwisisa ngealbinism?
Awukho umehluko phakathi komunye umuntu phakathi kwami nawe namkholozi nangathi ngenza umzekelo ngombana into enginganayo mina phakathi kwami nawe umehluko sekukobanyana wena isikhumba sakho sinayo ileyo yokugcina mina anginayo pigment manje ke ikinga sekukuba nesitshijilo sokuthi ngihlale langeni ofo ngenze yonke into langeni ukubona kude kwaphela.
Ucabanga ukuthi abantu abaphila nealbinism bajameleke ngokwaneleko emikhakheni ngokuhlukahlukana kwayo?
Abantu abaphila nealbinism banikeliwe amathuba wokuthuthukisa imfundo zabo before and after matric. Kunama learnerships abawenzako emakampanini amakhulu. Ikinga ebakhona kukobanyana ithuba lama learnerships likhetha iminyaka from 18 to 35 years esikhathini esiningi. Ngomzekelo nami ngingiyi product yama learnerships angenzi yinyeke ngenze maningana nanyana ngiyile esikolweni nje kodwa umbereko engwenzako akusiwo lo engawufundela esikolweni kodwa ngawufundela nge-learnership and then ngawenzako umbereko wakhona.
Namgwezani esele sesisonga nje ungathini ukuhlophekazi omncane khulukhulu osendaweni zemakhaya osavalelwe ngekhaya ngenxa yebala lakhe?
Kuhlophekazi omncane ngingathi inarha yonke nephasi lonke alimkolodi litho begodu keba kwabo ngingathi ngibawa nivumele umntwana abe yinto afuna ukuba ngiyo ngombana kusasa nizozithokoza nasele nimvumele begodu nimtshele bonyana muhle kangangani nimthabele nimthande ngoba awukho umehluko wenziwe ngomfanekiso kazimo kwaphela begodu ningabi nokusaba kokubanyana mhlambe bazamthatha bazameba bawa ngidlulile entshijilweni zokubanyana ngithena ngifika emazikweni amakhulu okufunda nasele ngizikhambela ngedwa ngedrobhena ngafika lapha bangithumba khona kodwa into leyo khe ngingivimbe ukufikela la ngifuna ukufika khona ngombana into engayibona ukubanyana ngiyokufa ngibulawe ihliziyo isitshaba singangiboni ngingavele Tjhatjhalazini ngibe yinto le mina engiyifunako.
Siyathokoza Namgwezani okwabelana nathi indaba yakho. Loyo ke nguhlophekazi Namgwezani ophila nealbinism. Kanti ke ikulumiswane namhlanje ihlathulula kuhle ukuthi mbala uSinyikhaba akusiyo inyanga yokufundisa nokuyelisa kwaphela kodwa kuyinyanga yokuqinisa ubuntu, isithunzi kunye nokugidinga amalungelo wabantu ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo. Kungakho ke SABC nonyaka nje sithi working with pride. Asibuyele kube studio se-3.
Sithokozile phindile kanti ke sikala ke zemali iranda liqinile nalingisana nezinye imali ezikulu.